For my family, summer has always meant piling into the car and hitting the road. We've explored almost every corner of Ontario, chasing those adventures that lie just beyond a day's trip reach, to those that leave civilization behind. These journeys often reveal the true character of our province. The small towns, the unexpected experiences. Even with thousands of kilometers under my belt, there's always been one stretch of highway that I felt less inspired to explore. That long, often monotonous 401 drive between Port Hope and Kingston. Usually, it's a music up, foot down piece of highway, an effort to get through it as quickly as possible. But not this time. This trip, my boys and I veered off the familiar path, taking the off-ramp into the Bay of Quinte region, an area encompassing Belleville, Trenton, and Brighton. Most recognized for its strong hockey roots and military presence, we wondered if there was more beneath the surface. Could we truly uncover a weekend of adventure here? Join us as we explore what the Bay of Quinte has to offer. Day one and our exploration began not by heading directly to the bay, but west of the 401 to the small community of Frankford. Our first stop in Quinte West was Sager Conservation Area. We've arrived in Quinte region and we're checking out Quinte West. We're just outside the town of Frankford, and this place that we're at right now is called Sager Conservation Area, and it's supposed to bring us up to one of the highest points of view in the entire Bay of Quinte region. We're gonna go do a quick little hike up to a watchtower and check out the views. Perched atop one of the region's most prominent drumlins, the 30-foot lookout tower here offers expansive views of rolling farmland. A landscape that feels surprisingly remote, despite its proximity to one of North America's busiest highways. These drumlins, formed by glacial movements thousands of years ago, are a unique feature of this area's geology. So at the top of the lookout tower, there's a few paths. And one of us was absolutely sure that we had to go down a specific one to get down. And now we're on the road and trying to walk back to the parking lot to get our car and go to the next stop.
Oh, we're here.
The climb certainly built an appetite, so we ventured into Frankfurt itself to the Old Bank Cafe. Housed in a charming heritage building that once served as the town's bank, this cafe offers a delightful creekside patio and delicious sandwiches. A perfect post-hike reward. In the afternoon, we traded elevation for the tranquility of H.R. Frink Conservation Area. We've got a little extra time on our hands, so we're checking out H.R. Frink Conservation Area, which is just kind of on the other side of Belleville, still in that Quinte West region. This place is supposed to have like a super cool marsh boardwalk place with like lots of birds and wildlife and stuff like that that we're gonna try to hopefully catch some pictures of. So let's see what we can find. This protected marshland, significant for its biodiversity, features a boardwalk trail popular for spotting local wildlife like turtles and birds, and even snakes. So Colin was looking at a sign saying, hey, I wonder if we can find this northern water snake. And where is it?
It was under the sun.
What are the chances? It's a great way to get outdoors and experience West Quinte's natural heritage. And for the boys, it became an impromptu wildlife scavenger hunt. For our home base, we chose the Hampton Inn, conveniently located off the highway with easy access to both Trenton and Belleville. Dinner led us into Belleville's local culinary scene. For dinner tonight, the boys voted for Mexican, and the restaurant is a true Belleville success story. In 2011, Marlene and Abraham, two immigrants from Mexico City, or Chilangos, were selling tacos from a tent on the Belleville waterfront. Now their restaurant is a local favorite, with two locations in town. One here and one downtown. No visit to Belleville feels complete without a stop at Reed's Dairy. Established over a century ago, this local institution with its distinctive castle-like building has grown into one of Ontario's largest dairy producers. It's a beloved spot for ice cream, offering dozens of flavors, all made right here in Belleville. Day 2 brought us further into Quinte West for a deep dive into Trenton's heritage. After a quick breakfast at the hotel, we ascended into history at the National Air Force Museum of Canada. Located at CFB Trenton, one of Canada's busiest Air Force bases, the museum offers a comprehensive look at Canadian military aviation. Beyond its impressive collection of historic aircraft and interactive simulators, which the boys loved, one of the museum's true highlights is the only fully restored World War II Halifax bomber in the world. A testament to an incredible preservation effort after decades spent at the bottom of a lake in Norway. Before our next stop, we made a quick detour to Wanamaker's Bake Shop, a local Trenton institution known for its delicious baked goods, where Dylan made an impressive discovery of massive cinnamon buns. Our next stop was the Quinte Museum of Natural History. Now, from the outside, this place doesn't look like much. But we just got back from a fascinating trip to Egypt, where we traveled to the Western Desert. It was there, in the middle of the Sahara Desert, that the very first whale remains that still had hind feet were found, proving that whales evolved from land-dwelling mammals. And the Quinte Museum of Natural History just happened to have a fascinating display on that same evolutionary story. To shift gears and embrace the outdoors, we headed to the Trenton Rowing and Paddling Club. This community hub offers rentals for kayaks, canoes, and paddleboards for just $20, providing a fantastic way to explore the Trent River, whether heading towards Lock 1 of the historic Trent Severn Waterway or out towards the bay on the St. Lawrence River. As the sun began to set, we made up with my good friend Catherine, a Toronto influencer known as Catherine Anywhere. This Belleville native shared some local fishing spots with the boys while we enjoyed burgers at the Pier Patio Bar and Grill on Myers Pier, a popular spot with views overlooking the bay. On our final morning in the Bay of Quinte, we began with breakfast at Gourmet Diem, a popular downtown Belleville spot on Front Street, known for its fresh breakfast sandwiches. Everyone that we've asked about what to do in the Bay of Quinte has always said we've got to check out Glenmore Historical Site. That's this place right here. Let's go find out what all the fuss is about. This Victoria-era mansion, completed in 1883 for a prominent local banker, is a magnificent example of Second Empire architecture. Stepping inside with its elaborate decorative details and period furnishing, this place truly feels like a journey back in time. Offering a glimpse into the lives of Belleville's influential citizens of the past, we even had a preview of their upcoming immersive servants' kitchen exhibit in the basement, which promises an even deeper hands-on experience, especially for the kids. From the moment we turned off Highway 401, the Bay of Quinte surprised us. It transformed what was once a familiar, unremarkable stretch of road into a region brimming with unexpected discoveries, rich history, and genuine family moments. The Bay of Quinte proved to be far more than just a convenient pit stop. It's a destination in its own right, offering a compelling mix of outdoor adventure, educational insights, delicious local flavors, and a welcoming atmosphere perfect for families. Ready to discover your own Bay of Quinte adventure? We've linked our full itinerary and more amazing family-friendly adventures in the description below. If you love this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more family travel adventures. And let us know in the comments what hidden gems have you discovered on your road trips. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time on Wandering Wagar's Adventure Family Travel.